Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is MD Wired, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Mega Man the Wily Wars for the Sega Genesis. 8-Bit Retro had worked with Capcom to get this actually released on a Genesis cartridge here in the US. It came out in Japan and in Europe for the Mega Drive. It did come out on an online service that Sega was promoting here in the US, but it was never officially released to a cartridge. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of that. So let's get to it. So as you see here, I've got the game. It also came with some collector's cards and a poster. So we're going to start there. So let's go ahead and open up the cards and see what we have. Looks like it just slides off the top. Pull out the cards. Or just slide them out. As you can see, we have Mega Man, Proto Man, a bunch of the different Robot Masters. So there's all those cards. Let's go ahead and see what the poster looks like. Oh, this looks like an ad just for limited run games that they sent with the poster. So we can get rid of that. As you can also see, got a nice little holograph effect on the top of the cartridge or the box. So let's go ahead and see, nice and sealed. I'm gonna go and open that up. As you can see from the back, you got everything that came in the collector's edition. Set that off to the side. Let's go ahead and be careful with this. I do plan on playing this, so comes in a nice plastic cartridge. What else is in the box? We have some posters. Oh yeah, and the front lid does open to reveal a few more things. Ooh, well that's nice. So I could change what's on the cover of the outside box. It's kind of hard to show these. Metal Man. Cut Man. And that's cool. Let's go ahead and look at the poster. And we shall open it up. And we have on here Mega Man the Wily Wars. It's kind of hard to get the whole poster in the shot, but and on the back side we also have Wily's Castle. So let's open up the cartridge. So in here we have a nice blue. It's been a while since I pulled the Genesis cartridge out. Nice blue color. And it is inverted, of course. And in here we have an instruction manual. Showing the different Robot Masters from all three games. Mega Man the Wily Wars contained Mega Man 1, 2, 3, and in Japanese. Contained a Mega Man 1, 2, and 3. Let's see what we got here. Let's see, what else did they put in? I can get this to open up. Ooh, certificate of authenticity. This is copy 8185 and a sticker book. That is kind of cool. This is everything that came in the box. Let's try and get all of this into a single shot, which is going to be a little bit difficult. Poster. Authenticity. Let's set that under there. With all the different. The instruction manual. Push the cards up. Really happy with this. It was only, I think, $80, which for somebody to release a Genesis cartridge with all this extra stuff, it's pretty cool. So want to thank you guys for taking the time to enjoy this unboxing with me. Till next time, y'all have a good day. Bye.